Hey there, Munchkins! It's your Mommy Munchkin back in the kitchen. Today's merienda requests came straight from Little Munchkin, fresh from school and craving something crispy and sweet.
Hindi ganyan yung reaction mo. Is it good?
Turon is one of those merienda classics na hindi kumukupas. Saba, konting asukal, lumpia wrapper, langka kung meron, mantika, and lots of love from Munchkin fam. Unang hakbang, tanggalin ang lumpia wrappers isa-isa. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi mapunit. Parang pag-aalaga sa pamilya, kailangan ng pasensya at lambing. Next, ang bida ng turon, saging na saba. Hinog pero firm, para perfect ang bite. Peel, slice, and get ready for the sugar shower. Coat natin ng brown sugar para sa tamis na hindi lang sa lasa, kundi sa alaala. Pwede ring lagyan ng konting langka kung gusto ni Little Munchkin ng extra sarap. Wrap it snug like a warm hug. Mommy Munchkin style. Simple, neat, and ready to crisp. Ready na sila for the golden bath. Fry, flip, and sprinkle a little sugar on top. Once magkaramelize na ang sugar, it's done! Alright, Munchkin, it's the moment of truth. Crunchy and sweet. Ang sarap. Parang street style pero homemade. Pwede nang pangbenta. Thanks for joining today, Munchkins. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more merienda memories and family fun. Kita-kits again on our next vlog. Bye-bye!